Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Cash App so it automatically accepts payments and how to enable recurring deposits. If you haven't done this before, just follow along step by step. First, open the App Store on your phone. Search for the Cash App and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Keeping the app updated helps avoid any issues and gives you access to all the latest features. Once the update is complete, go ahead and open the Cash App. Now, here's something important to know. When someone sends you money using Cash App, whether it's a friend, a family member, or even a business, the app will usually accept the payment automatically. You don't have to do anything to approve it. The money just shows up in your account. To check if you've received a payment, open the app and look at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap there to see your activity feed. This is where you'll find a list of all your recent transactions. If you see a transaction with a small plus sign, just a plus next to it, that means money was added to your account. For example, if I send $5 to a close friend or a relative, the money will be instantly available in their account without them needing to accept it manually. Cash App does this by default for most users. So, unless you have changed your settings or you're dealing with a business account that has extra security, incoming payments should already be set to auto-accept. Now, let's switch to something slightly different but related: how to set up recurring deposits on Cash App. This is useful if you want to automatically add funds from your bank into your Cash App balance on a regular schedule. Start from the Cash App home screen. Tap the $ at the bottom left to open your balance screen. Then scroll down until you see an option called Recurring Deposits. Tap on it. This feature allows you to automatically transfer money from your linked bank account into your Cash App on a schedule that you choose. Let's say you want to add money every month on the 24th. Just select the 24th as your preferred date. Then enter the amount you want to add. This can be any amount that works for you. You can also choose how often you want this to happen: every day, every week, or every month. Once you confirm your settings, Cash App will automatically move that money from your bank into your Cash App balance based on the schedule you've picked. And that's it. Thanks for watching.